Had a way to make it work and find another route.
Hey y'all, hopefully y'all can hear me. This is the day I'm supposed to go live. I gotta go get my my watch band fixed on my oh my gosh. Y'all know what I'm saying. I gotta see how much they gonna charge me to fix this. I need them to take some links out of here, like at least 4 of them. And guys, it get dark so early. I don't like that, but yeah, let's go check this out. Let's see what they talking about. Let's see what they talking about. Ooh. I hope it ain't much because I ain't got it like that, y'all. I don't. Okay? And I've been calling these people and calling them, and they was not answering the phone. What's wrong with them? Hold on, y'all. Hi.
Hello.
How y'all doing? I've been calling up here and calling up here.
He doesn't pick up the phone.
Oh. You remember me, Sonia?
Yeah, he remember you. He
Okay.
doesn't pick up the phone.
Oh, it's okay.
Doesn't matter who calls.
Okay. I'm just saying I was calling.
Because every second call is scam.
Okay.
We sick of this, you know?
Oh.
And I mean, we stop pick up. Sometimes I do
Okay.
when I'm here. But
How much how much do you charge? I just need like 2 links out of my watch. Hold on. Oh God. Yeah, I hope it ain't that. It's like 2 of them, right? 2 links? 3? Oh gosh. Okay. Did he just can't hear the phone, or he just
doesn't pick up, period.
Okay.
I need to work.
Oh gosh. I understand. Oh gosh, y'all. I'm supposed to go live at 7 o'clock. I hope we can do it. Yeah, I hope we can do it. I had a real good day though. What about y'all? Did y'all have a good day today? I'm so hungry. So it's like a little after 5. It's like 5:10. He said like $10. Yeah. It don't look dark out here, but it's dark. Oh, let me show y'all some the elephants. All of these like corks. They got brass. And this one is cute. That one right there. Yep. And then there's some over here. All of those. They're like collectibles or whatnot. Yep. All right, y'all. I'll pick y'all up on a whole nother day. Bye. All right, y'all. I'm done. That wasn't bad. They charged me. He charged me $10. Hold on, y'all. Put my purse down. He charged me $10. He took out just $10 even, and he took out how many links is that? 4. He took out 4. So now it's on there. It's on there pretty good. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all. All right, bye. You want to get in the camera so bad? Hey, y'all. Say happy weekend, everybody. He want to get in the camera so bad. Say happy weekend, everybody. Say, remember me? I am a big boy. I be walking. Yeah. Look at him. Look. Where you going? Can you say hi to the people? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Yay! Hi to the people. Can you smile at the people? Can you give them a kiss? Look at him, y'all. Oh my God, he is so cute. But anyway, y'all, happy weekend. I'm not doing much. I actually worked earlier. I got a chance to go walk. I did like 4 miles. Look at him, look. He trying to see who I'm talking to. I did like 4 miles. Yeah. Yeah. So I did 4 miles, and I was like, let me go grab him because I haven't watched him in a minute. But yeah, y'all, I've been doing a lot. Let me show y'all some of the things I've been working on. First, we're gonna put this up because I don't want him. Y'all know how these kiddos is, they be touching stuff. This is my incense holder, so I gotta put that up because I don't want him messing with stuff. We don't want him messing with stuff. And I'm gonna read all these books to him. Yes, I am. But anyway, hold on, y'all. I gotta show y'all. Come here, Bookie. Come here. Come here, Bookie. Come here. Come on, Bookie. So I do got y'all's, some of y'all's. Ooh, let me hide this. Wait a minute. I got some packages for y'all. So hopefully soon I can get those sent out. But in the meantime, we're gonna go switch around some things real quick. You gonna go do it? You gonna help me do it? You gonna help me do it? He a real good listener, though, y'all. Come on, Bookie. So I actually want to move these. I'm gonna move these to the back. I'm gonna just switch them out. So we're gonna do this. Come on, Bookie. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. So yeah. Yes, my candle's lit, but I'm not gonna let him get it. But y'all, I have no greenery over here. So I was like, I'm just gonna switch these out because I don't wanna switch out the actual bowls. I wanna keep this. I don't think this bowl ever had any green in it. And then we'll just put this once I let this out. So I think that looks nice like that. That's cute like that. That's cute, that's cute. So we're gonna put this one over where it was at. Okay, come on, Bookie. You gonna help me? Come on, you hold this. Come on, hold it, let's go. Come on, come on, let go, let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. We got the cartoons playing. We got it going on over here. Come on, come on, come on. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna put this back. I did remove 2 of those books there in my room. And then we're gonna just put this right on in here like that. I like that. Some easy DIY, but y'all, I'm gonna read him all these books, okay? And then I'll see y'all in another part of the video. Bye. Wanna say bye? Say bye-bye. 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 Say mwah. Mwah. He trying to get y'all a kiss. Say kiss, kiss, kiss. Mwah. I forgot to tell y'all, this boy is about to be 1 year old. No, come on over here with Nana. Come on, come on. I wanted to show y'all some stuff I bought him. Now I ain't giving it to him on his actual birthday because I believe he only got 1 birthday. Y'all already know how I do. I got him this real nice cashmere hat. Really, really nice. It is absolutely, y'all, I started to keep this for myself. And then he has this Carter's, it's real thick, like flannel. Real nice. Zamir, come here. Come. You better, where you at? Get your butt here. Get your butt here. And then I got him some of these khaki. Really cute, y'all. Really cute. Look, this your stuff. That's your stuff. All right, y'all, we gone. Bye. See you in the next one. Play with me. You see? You turn the page like that. Hello, my name is Allison. Allison. This is my friend Rabbit. Look, what's your name? Look at Bookie. Bookie. What's your name? Uh-oh, I like your name. Would you like to join us for a picnic? I'll sit here, Rabbit. You gonna turn the page? All right, turn the page. Hopefully y'all can see me. Let me turn this down. I'm actually driving. I just did like 2 Lyft rides and I can't Let me go straight. I cannot tell you how many times somebody just like walked right across the street, right in the front, like they work hard. I can't tell you how many times someone has just drove past where they were supposed to stop and just kept going. Yeah, I'm a really good driver, but I can't drive for everybody else. Even the bus, the regional buses that drive, just turn in front of somebody else. It's crazy out here, y'all. Did y'all have a good day today? By the way, happy Monday. I just had to vent for a second because there's no peace. There's no peace out here. It's no peace. It's only peace at home in your own private space. It's getting worse and worse by the day, by the dozen. But all in all, today is a good day. I just wanted to vent with y'all for a minute. I'll see y'all on a whole nother day. Deuces. Hey y'all, finally made it home. I feel a little bit more at peace in myself, okay? But I stopped at the store, got a few things. I'll share them with y'all, okay? Just bear with me. Got some mangoes. Got some chips. I already been in those, honey. Yeah. Well, the one time when I'm feeling, I'm not gonna say stressed out. When I'm feeling a little uneasy, I get like that sometimes. Got me some bread and butter pickles. I'm gonna make me a nice salad tonight, this evening. It is 7:22. It's not that late. Got some jalapenos, fresh ones, and I got this nut blend, honey roasted almonds, cashews, and pecans. These was like $4 something. I spent like, what was that? I think I spent like $15 or something. And I got some chunky guacamole, okay? So I'm gonna dip some of my chips in that. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you on another vlog. If you wanna check out my salad, I don't know if it'll be, will I put it in here? I don't know. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. Catch you on the next one. Bye, y'all. Salad is done behind the scenes. I just wanted to tease y'all a little bit. Look at that salad. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's going down. Peace. I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hey y'all, so be looking for y'all's packages pretty soon, okay? Yeah, I have to make a couple of more runs, and yeah, so the next time you guys will see me will be on a single and satisfied video, okay? So until next time, I just wanted to let you guys know I appreciate you. I don't have nothing else to like give away, but I don't think nothing's wrong with giving things away on your channel. You don't have to be like a big YouTuber to do that, to show grace to other people for supporting your channel. So I just wanted to tell you all, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy your items. Let me know if you do, and you can let me know if you don't. Until next time, always remember to do what? Love yourself, so you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all. Bye.